In this website training video, we're going to learn how to accept a quote. First, make sure that you're logged in. Next, make sure that you have no items in your cart. Once you're ready, at the top of the screen, you'll find the Accept Quote button. You will be taken to a page where you can then enter your quote number from a previous interaction. Then press Import Quote. Your quote will appear to the right. Make sure to check the details to ensure that you're picking the correct quote. Once that's done, press Add Quote to Cart. If you're ready to move on, click Checkout. From here, you'll go through the regular checkout process, and at the end, make sure to press Place Order.